Hello everyone, welcome to Carzilla Motors. My name is Ridwan Ahmed. I am the General Manager of Carzilla Motors. Let me show you how the magic happens in Carzilla Motors.
Hi, I'm Sakia, the customer service representative. I make sure your appointment is booked according to your command.
Hello, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Mira, your customer service representative. I make sure you are taken care of when you visit the brand.
Hello,
Hi,
can you...
I'm Marwan. I'm the purchaser and I make sure you get the best price while selling your car.
Hello,
Hi,
hi, what do you do here?
this is Saud Khan and I'm the sales executive here, and I make sure that you get the best deals while you're buying a car from us.
Hey,
Hi,
can you tell us about yourself?
I'm Wasim. I handle with operation. I make sure you have a smooth process in financing and transfer.
Hey,
Hey,
can you tell us about yourself, please?
sure. I am Natasha. I'm the head of operations here, and I make sure that you have the best experience with Carzilla Motors.
Hello, what are you doing here?
Well, my name is Justin. I'm a certified vehicle inspector, and I always make sure to give an accurate vehicle inspection report within 30 minutes.
Amazing. So guys, please visit Carzilla Motors to buy, sell, service or modify your car. This is where the magic happens.